How to backup WhatsApp messages on Android. Hi everyone. First, open the WhatsApp app on your Android phone. Now tap the three dots in the top right corner. From the menu, choose Settings. Inside Settings, tap on Chat. Here, you will find an option called Chat Backup. Tap on it. In the backup sections, you can select your Google account to store your backup. Next, pick up how often you want to backup. For example, I choose daily. Next, choose you can include videos or not. You can also backup using cellular. Once everything is set, tap on backup. WhatsApp will start saving all your chat and media to Google Drive. This might take a few minutes depending on your internet speed and file size. And that's it. Your WhatsApp messages are now safely backup. Bye.